So yes, Torjak is back. Mr. White is back. So ito pala yung mga, these are the things that gift from Torjak. Okay. There are what's this? So he went to France. Pumunta siya ng France and then to see the family. It's a wedding of the daughter. And then so ito pala. First, he gave me this one. He handed me this one when we arrived in the airport. So, check natin kung saan yun. Wait, where's my phone? Wait lang. So, ito pala yung first na binigyan niya sa akin. It's a, I don't know, it's a perfume. It's a Dior. And then, let's see how to, if you can open Dior. And this one also. So he have lots of jewelry from his parents, from his mother. This is another one. Remember, I have another one that was from before. He gave it from, that was from his grandma, but this time this is from the mother. Last time he gave me like this, but different. This one is more worth it. Mas mas malaki ang value. And then last time kasi, it was my birthday. That was from his grandma. And then there's more jewelry, but I just choose this one first. It's a jewelry. It's a ring. So I will show you next time the rest. But this is like a ruby. So yeah, this is from ruby. And so this one is ruby lang siya. And the other one is may pa-gold siya. There's a gold and then ruby. So most of my jewelry are from Torjak mom. Yes, happy me. I'm gonna open this one. I don't want to open this. I want to keep it. But yeah, we need to open it. Let's see. Open na to. So maybe I will just keep the packet just a remembrance. This is the one, Miss Dior.
What? Depends. You have a lot of food in it.
Okay, let's see.
Don't put too many things in it. You don't want to use. You do that all the time.
Let's see. Miss Dior. This is the first time I have like this brand, and I think this is the one. This one is expensive, right? Dior. I'm gonna keep this. So Rose and Roses, and then. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god.
New day,
It's so good.
I'm not going to use that today. I'm not going to use that
Oh,
today.
I like this one because it's just roll. Katong parang sa deodorant. Oh, it's gonna last forever. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Oh,
Is it good?
Yeah, it's
Citrus. Yeah, it's special.
Mm,
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, and I like it because it's just like this.
Yeah.
Roller.
It's amazing.
What's that roller?
Yeah.
So loyal.
For the food, you save a lot as well.
Yeah, that's why.
You know?
So this one I'm gonna use because I have another one also. Last time he bought me the Tiffany. This one I will not so now I have choices na I can change what smell. Oh, roller pearl. So I'm gonna keep this. So keep this everything. Okay, let's keep it. Wait, I want pa to put more para. So this one, he bought this one in Malaysian airport. Yeah, my so good. I like it.